Amfana is quite disappointing. You can imagine, sold out affair, Sisekaya. 14 years without the league. And we could have won it at home, make the supporters happy, but then we have to delay it for the last game against Obi. Amfana mina, as in, I'm quite critic. Can I speak from the heart? No, Amfana, I feel like, well, they fought, but probably fatigue. My last days of the season, but I think we could have done far much better approaching this game. Maybe they relaxed after Sundowns lost during the week. Probably that had a negative impact coming into this game. Because in fact, Sundowns had they won that game, we would have been in trouble.
You saw now really like I'm a throw-in first half. There was not that agent. I think that thing now even impact.
I'm not red carpet. In fact, we have to fight for the game. We have to fight for the win. So, Asazi, let's wait for the 23. Well, 23 is a special number. We'll probably win it next week.
So, Jayami, we have again Mpumalanga, and are you confident to go to Mbombe?
Mfana, you can never be sure. I would love Orlando Pirates to win the league. It's been quite a long time. But we'll see next week. If you're going to play like this next week, we're in trouble. We certainly are.
Yeah. No, thanks Morgan. Bopa.
Bafowhayi akwambanga kuhle mara ithemba lakapheli lento sizoyigqiba lapha eMbombe la kudala sizigqiba izinto lapha ayikho into eninzi anizoyithetha bavu ngiqhubeka nomsebenzi omuhle danke.
Thank you Pakania Bopa.
The boys, they tried all they can do, but lucky was not on our side. But we are still in it. God will just hand us. Uzosinikeza badorneyo nemudzimu bathu basingolabelela. And una bathu bominyaho abaminya. Ethi rikhoya Mbombela athiba khubona rogodalane namusi. Mbombela ndonone rikhoya right this Orlando. And after ngathi 24 rikhombela public holiday please.
Standout performer, man of the match today, Pagania.
To be honest with you, Wabana Mpana was Silebe, even though he played very well. First half but come second half, he showed he can play for Orlando Pirates. Unfortunately for the president Wama 2K, he was not that, but it's part of the game. One day you perform, the other day you can perform. But also, our captain Sibisi, I salute the guy. He has been consistent throughout the season. I don't want to talk more about Mr. Clean-sheet, You know the goalkeeper of the season, where it goes. And to our coach, Wadu, we salute.
Guys, singaphela amandla. Mina nginethemba from players, coach, technical team sanethemba. This was semi-final for us. Final is coming and uyazi nginethemba ngani thina sikwazi ukupaka ibhasi from season sabaka ibhasi on 2 matches was versus Stellenbosch first league, was versus finally on Marumo Gallants and Polokwane bengikhona nami always attack today sizamile ukudlala ibhola but iDurban City just befuna draw Orbit College draw ayincedi ngalutho. Problem is overlap. It draw because today baluzile. Ulustoni against Stellenbosch. It draw bancedi ngalutho. Obvious guys, as relax and I said that guys blame coach. This is wrong one. Ucoach wethu udlala ifootball sithandayo asikwazi ukupaka ibhasi always forward. But ngicela next time uthitha aqale bencheni sibuse ikhombo yethu yakudala Umfukeni abiya ku number 10. Umrem ayasayidini uApollo ayasayidini. Siqala ngomahopa always igame soyiwina. Wabona wonke amagoli amfukeni abakora madlala eposition number 10. Abakona udlala ama 1-2 wakhe. Thank you very much my brother.
So Pakania manje siyeMpumalanga nge-23. Are you still confident and uzabula lapho eMpumalanga?
Yeah, because on Wednesday I'm going home. I'm going to Mozambique by Saturday angeke ngibuya la Gauteng ngizwe eMpumalanga I'm going to be there. Hey, na last final MTN 8 bengiye ekhaya eMozambique ngabuya straight eMpumalanga my brother mina umsebenzi ngiyenzayo eMozambique akhona ukumarket ngile South Africa because I want to see Orlando Pirates.
Letshwere Raps from Meadowlands, Baka.
Baka Chuchu, talk to me. They're giving you flowers.
Bagania, kuyabonakala namhlanje mfethu. Noma sihlulekanga abamjita dlalile ne. Yasibonisa ukuthi le league eyethu sikhava njengama 1 point asenzelwa ama favor la. Ayikho ifavor la sithathe 1 point namhlanje. Masingena eMbombela, kuyenzakala umsebenzi. Sithathe 3 points kuphelile nje. Kuphelile yethu le.
Manje uzabusa eMbombela phakani yange-23.
Mfethu ngira eMbombela. Wabona iPirates ichazela into one senze ama sold out ne. It's the first team la uyayibona nje shay sold out for the whole season. So eMbombela sida. Ngihamba nencosi yami la ngasemuva kwami. Sida and then maqhamuka amatikiti nje asifuni nix. Sifuna ukungena eMbombela yethu. Bakaniya saphakamisa la.
Phakani yabonga.
Sabona phuthi njani?
Mnandi wena?
Ngimnandi. Yazi kanjani phuthi ne? I-happiness yethu today ikwi-storage. Sizile pack up the store ile kuntani stadium. Mari happiness yethu ikwi-storage. Nele Mbombela le siyabalanda phuthi, siyabalanda. Mara asipheli moya. Mabhakaniya for life. Dake ngiyabona.
First of all, I want to congratulate channel yethu. It has been growing. Ngiyafollow ku TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Pirates Fans TV. Sonke umuntu obuka channel asubscribe lapha ku YouTube. Sisonke we need more channels like this, man. The media team is lacking in South Africa. First of all, okay. Back to the game. Adlalila Machita. I've got nothing to say more about the game, but Adlalila Machita, it was in our day today, but they've applied themselves, but unfortunately it was in our day today, but Suslangani Mbombela, Susova Grand, Amapagania, Susarad, nothing, now I can say next, he traveled something it, I traveled something I too. It's like 2012 days, like Penny McCarthy's. This is the era. We're replicating the era. Sharp my chance.
Mfowethu uyabona ke namuhla vele bese expect iwin vele sonke, but unfortunately nje sesa draw ama chance azamile, so angeke eze sithi awa play more kanjani. But into ekhona yabona le league yethu beyingaba mnandi kakhulu. If bekuthiwa ngabe sonke siyacompete ngayiligini, yabona njengangale overseas wonke ama team acompete, but khona nje abanye bahlezi balinde vele ukuthi bazoyenzelwa ukuthi vele kwenzakalani. And lento le igcina vele sebulala ileague yethu ingasabi mnandi because hlezi compete ama team ayi2 kuphela. Yabona amanye ama team njengabo ngale overseas abo Tottenham sasigcina lokhu yakudala nje kuthiwa kune Tottenham yasaba ukudlala nayo, kunabo Man U yasaba ukudlala nayo. Nabo abanye ke labo makhelwane bethu ke nabo sebazogcina sebafana kanjalo nabo because ayisekho vele into bayenzayo, bayisa ilona bathini nje ivalue ye team iphansi. As soon as nje after boma 5 years so kugcina sesibabona ngasase team ethusayo, yonke team edlala nayo yobona ngathi vele yazidlulela, ngiyangithola mfethu. So iyo vele into vele ngizoyisho ukuthi next season ke mhlambe sonke sibambisane sicompete sonke vele ileague yethu bemnandi, ingaveli iphele njengabo Bayern Munich ukuthi seyithathile while kusasele boma 5 games ngithola.
But challenging is not enough, Malankani. Surely you'll agree with me. This season we have to take it. I understand. And if you're going to take it, you have to beat the Old College in 23. How do you approach this game?
Phela abontwana nabo bafuna ukusurvive relegation mfethu. So iwin vele ngithi kuyoba kuyi must win, mara nabo bazozama ukuthi vele bayenze intonyana, bangaveli nje badlise kanjalo, but anginethemba ukuthi vele masiyembombela vele so yenza into ekhona vele so bashaya vele lama chance na kanjani.
So enye iphakaniya belikhuluma ukuthi must bring back abo Shenko, abo Master Chef. Do you think we should move away from our traditional lineup and introduce ama cream?
Inkinga yethu ilapho mfethu, nezinto ezibhaya vele ezimnandi lapha mfethu. Manje uyabona wonke umuntu vele une favorite yakhe, umunye nomunye nombono wakhe. Mara mongathi uyabheka alikho iplayer vele elibhedda mfethu, angeke ngize ngikhuluma manga. Wonke ama player khona la uBhakaniya amnandi wonke. So ukuthi vele nje kunokuthi vele kube nelanga lokuthi uthothi bammakhile akabonakali for leyo game le or for lelo langa lelo. Mara wonke ama chance akhona ngayi akekho vele umuntu oflopayo. nje bona singababuyisa or sichubeke ngalabo esinabo because nabo bayenza into egrand akekho vele nje umuntu engizothi uyabheda la kuphakaniya.
Awushaye nge-prediction Jovis. Orlando Pirates versus Orbit.
Ngicela 5-0 mina mfethu. Ekusiyashiya. Ekusiyashiya bafethu nimxolele.
Thank you, Malangani.